bloopers. You have bloopers.
Wow. All right, let's start. Hello, everybody. I have a question for you. Would you like your house to be burned, or you be burned alive? Will you? No, I thought so. Let me introduce myself. My name is Ismael Castellanos. I graduated recently from the paramedic program at Del Mar, and I'm going to show and tell you how you could potentially save your house and your lives. Today, I will be informing you about smoke alarms by explaining what is one, tips on them, differences, types, maintenance, where to put and where not to put, and results of a smoke alarm. So, what is a smoke alarm? A smoke alarm is a fire protection device that automatically detects and gives a warning in the presence of fire. Tips on smoke alarms. Where to install a smoke alarm. You want to install the alarms in every sleeping room and outside each sleeping area. Also, you want to install on each level of the house. Interconnect all your smoke alarms. Why do you want to do that? You want to do that so when one smoke alarm goes off, they all go off. Okay. When to test and replace. Test all smoke alarms at least once a month. What you want to do is you want to press the test button to make sure alarm is working. Also, replace alarms every 10 years. You want to replace that every 10 years. All right, next slide. Difference between a smoke alarm and a smoke detector. A smoke alarm are used mostly in residential areas, and when in contact with smoke, it makes a sound. A smoke detector only senses smoke and is connected to a fire alarm system. Alright, next slide. These are our types of smoke alarms. We got our photoelectric alarm and our ionization alarm. A photoelectric alarm, these respond faster to slow burning fires. These alarms aims a light source into a sensing chamber at an angle away from light sensor, and when smoke enters the chamber, the smoke reflects light onto the light sensor, triggering the alarm. And that's a photoelectric alarm. An ionization alarm is a little different. These are more responsive to flaming fires. To flaming fires, it works by active having a small amount of radioactive material between electrically charged plates, which causes a flow between plates. When smoke enters, it disrupts the flow of ions, causing it to trigger the alarm. All right, next slide. Checking smoke alarms. Smoke alarms might have a false alarm if the battery is low or not connected properly. To check battery, you would want to remove the outer plastic or the outer casing and check if the batteries are properly placed and change if they are needed. So, where to put and where not to put smoke alarms. Got your guess? No. They should be placed high on the ceiling away from the kitchen, causing false alarms. They should at least be 10 feet from the stove. Where not to put smoke alarms or areas to avoid include poorly ventilated kitchens, garages, and furnished rooms. Also, you should not put them in very damp, humid, or steamy areas like a bathroom. Last slide, results of smoke alarms. Firstly, the results of having a smoke alarm is they provide life-saving warnings to allow you to escape the burning house or building. They are also inexpensive. There are some for less than $10. These devices can save you, your friends, and your family's lives. Alright, I think that's the end of the speech. Any questions? No questions? Alright. Thank you. Thank you for your